How's it going, everybody? Okay, this is my bike. For those of you who haven't seen it, it's a 1998 Honda CBR 600 F3. I have an aftermarket fairing kit on it, hence the orange and black. Non-factory colors. And no, it's not a perfect fitment, as you can see here. That's really annoying to me, but we're gonna ignore that. And actually, this model never came with handles. Anyway, time to stop pointing out the flaws. Got the Two Brothers Racing exhaust on it. One over here. Paint looks really nice. It is October 7th. We finally got a break in the weather. Got the neighbor out cutting the grass, which I was doing yesterday. I want to take this thing for a ride and let you guys hear it. I finally have a GoPro, and you can hear what this thing sounds like when I'm going down the road. So I can't wait. Choke on. It's gonna be a cold start. Haven't ran it in like 2 weeks. Woo! It is cold. Sorry for all the movement. Okay, a little sturdy now. Stable. So right now it's just warming up. Once it gets warmed up, I'm gonna throw this camera on the back of the bike, go for a ride. I'm gonna do a couple rips. So I'm gonna start out a little slow. Speed limit around here is only 25 miles an hour until I get on my back roads, and then it's I'm in Mexico actually when I go onto my back roads. So I can go whatever speed I want, and yeah, that's kind of that. So I'm gonna do most likely some pulls from second gear. Here, it's kind of finally a little bit warm. I'm gonna most likely do some pulls from second gear. So if you keep watching, about 5 minutes from now, and I'll try and timeline this or whatever you call it on YouTube. Sorry, I don't use that editor all that much. I will try to timestamp it or what have you for the second gear pull, maybe a first gear pull, but I just don't think so. Anyway, let's get riding. I'm gonna stick this camera on, and sorry for all in the back of my garage. We're doing some fall cleaning right now, and well, winter's almost here. I'll put it that way. All right, so you guys are strapped in right now. Bike is idling nice. This is carbureted for anybody that doesn't know. I run no ethanol fuel only. It's what God intended for these bikes, and I'm not going to make it political. Just leave it at that. All right. normal driving. You can see how the exhaust sounds when you drive it normally, but that's kind of hard to do sometimes, because when I hop on this thing, I just have fun. I love riding. like, and subscribe for more.